Good day to my future employer. First of all, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. I want to introduce myself. I am Leonalyn Monte Alegre from Rojas, Palawan, Philippines. I am 36 of age, married, and have two lovely children. Their ages are 14 and 12 years old. I am undergraduate of midwifery in Palawan State University. I am currently in the Philippines now looking for a job. I have work experience in abroad, which is in Kuwait. I'm working for 7 years. And my first employer, I'm working for them for 5 years and finished contract. I started to work June 17, 2017 to August 2022. There are two members of the family, and their ages was 33 and 7 years old. My employer house is a type of apartment or flat with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilets, 1 dining, 1 living, and 1 kitchen area. My extensive experience as a nanny or housekeeper has a wide range of duties, such as taking care of 7 years old, playing with him, helping him if he have homework in the school, and preparing basic breakfast, meals, and snacks, and be responsible for him during the day while his father are at work, and managing the lighthouse chores. And my second employer, I started to work August 2022 to September 2024 and finished contract. And my employer, she's 88 years old and one employer only. My employer house is a type of palace with 3 bedrooms, 5 toilets, 2 kitchen, 2 dining room, and 2 living room area. My duties and responsibilities is assist like showering, dressing, walking, or exercising, and helping in the housework like fixing her bed, cleaning her toilet, arranging her closet, ironing her clothes, and washing her clothes. I am a loving nanny, kind, trustworthy, and can love your kids as my own. If I will given a chance to be your nanny in your family, rest assured I will give my 100% love to your child, and I may create bonding moments together. To my future employer, hopefully you can give me a chance to be your nanny in your family as much as I want to be a part of my journey towards life in the future. To my future employer, thank you for sharing your time to watching my videos. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you.